Hello everyone. In the last video, we saw how to work with time. We calculated the hours worked by using the formula end work minus start work. Let's say I copy that formula across to all the days. You see the hours worked for those days. Now only in the case of Friday, you see there's some problem. Now for the other days, the end work is greater than start work. Only in the case of Friday, I have given the start work as 7 p.m. and the end work is 6 a.m. the next morning. So basically this person has come next shift. So when this happens, the normal formula end work minus start work failed. This is because Excel does not know that 6 a.m. is from the next day. In order to fix this, we'll have to use the if statement. When you give if, so now it's asking for the condition. So basically in this formula I'm going to say end work minus start work, but I have to tell Excel that end work is from the next day. So I'll check that the start work is greater than end work. So in this case, this value E9, if is that greater than end work, yeah, if it is true, then that means the value in F column is from the next day. So it means F9 is actually F9 plus 1. And if it is not the case, which means if start work is less than end work, that means end work is from the same day. So in that case, I leave it as F9. Okay. Now this part basically calculates the end work. This lets Excel know that end work is from the same day or from the other day. Now we have our end work. Now I'll subtract start work from end work. So basically I'll say minus, and now I'll select start work again. So now it tells me 11 hours. So now it has calculated the right number of hours. Now you can use this formula for the other days also, and it will work perfectly fine. To test if this formula works for all the days, I'll just drag this onto the other days also, and then you see new formula has been applied to all the days. It has calculated the right number of hours for the other days also. So this is how you calculate the hours worked when the end time is from the next day. So that's all in this video. Hope that was useful. Hope to see you in the next video.